What is your profession?
I'm a licensed clinical social worker and I work in private practice, seeing clients primarily revolving around women's issues and through the life cycle. I also um, work as a group coordinator for the myositis support group at Hospital for Special Surgery, which is myositis is a rare autoimmune disease.
What steps did you take in choosing this profession?
As an undergraduate, I attended City University of New York, where I majored in psychology and minored in psychology and graduated from there. My graduate school work was at Columbia University in New York. I've worked in social work for about 30 years now, and I took a break for about 10 years thinking that I wanted to try some other things and see if social work was truly what I wanted to do. And as it turns out, it is what I really want to do. I feel that it's my calling.
Is there anything you would have done differently in getting to where you are in your profession today?
No, I think that I needed to really experience other things to just make sure that this was the right fit for me. And probably it had something to do with my life cycle, where I was at any given point. And I think as I evolved, I came to really accept that this was the right choice for me.
Have you done this your whole life?
I've done it for most of my professional life, except for that break for about 10 years where I did some other things. Some were related in a way. I was in healthcare. Some were totally unrelated. Um, but I was glad I experienced it all.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
I really enjoy helping people, and I think that my combination of empathy, uh, perception, my experience, which has given me great perspective, and my curiosity about learning what motivates people and using that to help others. I think there's just so many things you can do in this field that really help hone in on helping people, and I'm really grateful to be able to do that.
What advice would you give in choosing a career?
Many people say follow your passion. And many people don't know what that is. So I would say to at least go with something that you think might interest you. Hopefully, it's a long life and that you don't have to choose just one career. If something doesn't feel right, try to move on to a different path. But I think it's important to allow yourself that flexibility and not feel stuck in something because you went to school or graduate school for that particular discipline.